Good morning. I'm here with the family, and today we just wanted to get out, be in nature, and so we're gonna check out Samuel Farm. It's I think in Sunnyvale, Texas, on the border of like Sunnyvale and Mesquite. And we haven't been here before, but we're looking for like a slow morning and just a good time, just together. And so we're really excited, and we're just happy to be more intentional, to spend more time outside, and most importantly, spend it together. So come along with us.
So high, feet on the ground, but
So I'm getting out the car, and the first thing, well, not even the first thing, I didn't even realize, but I go to put my feet on the floor and I have no shoes on. So that'll be fun for today. In fact, walking with no shoes was really no fun at all because of the gravel trails that they had at this park. So walking into the space, it felt like a nature preserve rather than like a farm. It was wide open green space with trees sporadically on our path. There was definitely a lot of people out there taking professional pictures, like rad pics. So maybe this place is known for that. Of course, it's our first time here. There was again gravel on the trail, so we just started to wander aimlessly on the grass because I didn't have any shoes, but it was still a great time.
I still get by. The rules were made for someone else to try, but not me, not me. They say slow down, son, take your time, but I was born running every stop sign. Sky is a limit, no chance to hold. Sky is a limit, I'm breaking the mold. Sky is a limit, I'm out of control tonight. Every doubt just feeds a flame. Every scar reminds me why I came. I've been broke, I've been blessed, carry faith in it.
Along the way, there were picnic tables and a big barn area towards the back. We opted to check out the pond area. It was definitely so relaxing. We spent so much time there. If I was a fisherman, I would definitely be fishing here. It was perfect weather, overcast with slight breeze. We sat there and chillaxed.
Empty chest till now. The stars are down like good old friends, saying, boy, don't stop where the sky just ends. Sky is a limit, no chance to hold. Sky is a limit, I'm breaking the mold. Sky is a limit, I'm out of control tonight.
After what seemed like forever, we decided to go and picnic closer inland under some trees and just lay out some camping chairs, relax for a bit. There was a storm rolling in, but we still wanted to take advantage of the time we had. I brought my journal along and took a few moments to write in it with my daughter and reread some of my entries out loud to her. And she loves like looking at the pictures that I have taped inside. So, yeah, it was a really nice time just being able to reread and reflect and just enjoy our little family. I feel like we're definitely stamping some core memories for our daughter and just modeling some great strategies and just modeling being out in nature and enjoying yourself out there with your family.
Take your time, but I was born running every stop sign. Sky is the limit, no chance to hold. Sky is the limit, I'm breaking the mold. Sky is the limit, I'm out of control tonight.
And of course, we had to have some loose leaf tea. We had a blend that I made, hibiscus, orange peel, and peppermint. And we enjoyed it. All in all, it was a great time, and we will definitely be back.
Every doubt just feeds a flame. Every scar reminds me why I came. I've been broke, I've been blessed, carry faith in it. Every doubt just feeds a flame. Every scar reminds me why I came.